how to delete Instagram account on desktop, PC, or laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Instagram account within the desktop browser on a computer, Chromebook, MacBook, anything that looks like this. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up a browser, navigate to Instagram.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go in the left menu here and then select Profile to navigate to your Instagram profile. And then once you're on your profile, select the gear to the right of your username. In the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. And then in the settings, go in the left menu, find Account Center, and select See More in Account Center. Once in the Account Center, in this left menu here, select Manage Accounts. And then we just need to find the Instagram account that we want to permanently delete and find Manage next to it, select Manage. So now select Deactivation or Deletion. And then in here, we just need to make sure that we have Delete Account selected. So once it's selected, select Continue. They're going to let you know that any Threads account that you have attached to that Instagram account will also be permanently deleted. So select Continue. You'll then need to enter your Instagram account password. After that, they may ask you why you're deleting your account, and then they'll ask you to confirm one more time that you want to permanently delete your Instagram account. It cannot be reinstated after that. So once you do that, your account will be permanently deleted. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.